That's me again. I'm currently right now I'm rebuilding my reset valve. And you see now I got bolts going through. I'm waiting on some glue to dry. I don't know if I'm gonna get time to test it today and get it on video or not, because it's gonna be dark shortly, and I'm just trying to get all the bugs out of it. And I can't wait till I get all the bugs out of it, because I got a bunch of other tests I want to start doing. And it's been one thing after another today, trying to get this thing perfect. I got the little one. The little one's fine, but I'm having problems with the big one. So I added the bolts, and that's what I've been doing. I'll take some more videos shortly if I don't run out of daylight before I get this done. Okay, I've got the thing put back together. 2 springs, 2 bolts in the center. Got some tubing in there so the bolts so it can slide. And I'll fix and see how it'll work. Set the camera up. Maybe I can set it over here on the car. And maybe zoom in. I've never used a zoom on this camera. This camera ain't very good. That's where it's more level. Here we go. I'll give it a shot. Find my wire. I got a lot of bugs to get out of this thing. Okay, another failed test.